Welcome everyone. In this video, we're going to explore our pencil tool. Go over to the toolbar and click the pencil. Our pencil tool is very unique to most other applications. You can see on the right hand side, you have the normal controls like size and color, but you also have simulate pressure with a variation control. What this does is allows you to create this unique organic feeling that mimics the pressure of pencil. So the slower you draw with your mouse or touchpad, the thicker the line. The faster you move your mouse or touchpad, the thinner the line. It creates this very realistic simulation of the pressure of a pencil. Now let's try to use this in a practical application. I'll pick my pencil tool, I'll zoom in to this pen, let's draw it. There you go. That looks like a very organic line. I'm going to go now send this a few layers back using the layers panel. And I'll go over to my edit panel and choose a new color. Notice how this final object turns into an actual shape. I can go ahead and pick the gold color to mimic the gold of this pen. And likewise, I'll duplicate it and mimic other colors. Great, that looks awesome. The pencil tool is also great for you to sort of annotate and mark the design to give feedback, for example. There's lots of possibilities with our pencil tool. Play around with it and we'd love to see what you come up with in our community. Bye for now, I'll see you in a future tutorial.